Okay, what's up, guys? Hey, this is Jadon coming to you with another video. I just got a special delivery. If you can see by the box, I just got these today. These are Rotobox, and I ordered from my man at Manny from Moto Millions. They took about, I would say, 10 weeks to come in. And that's due to COVID. It's anywhere from 6 to 8 weeks because they don't stock these wheels. They are made to order. So these are going to be the wheels for my Aprilia, which is under the red cover here. And you gotta excuse my messy garage. I'm gonna try to open these up and video. It's like 20, maybe 25 degrees right now. At least we did get some sun, but we don't have no snow. But I'm gonna go ahead and open these up, do like an unboxing, because I'm excited to see them too. All right, let's get on with opening up. You should never use a razor. Open up something delicate like this. You ever notice in videos people tell you don't do stuff and they do it? That's one of these videos. Okay, we gotta get all this tape. See, I got on gloves because it's cold. Alright, got some stuff here. More million stickers. Keychain. I'll set that aside. Alright, this is rear wheel. Ho 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 ho! Ain't that pretty? That is so pretty. Yeah, that's nice. I got the red decals, carrier hub. This is nice. Flip this around. Oh yeah. Also, option for the red valve stem. Yeah, these are nice. You can see there's my born on date, December 2020. So these are the Rotobox Boost wheels, and I have these in the glossy finish. I thought about getting the matte finish, but my bike, I thought it would have matched a little bit more or a little bit better, because my bike is actually like a matte finish. It's not the glossy finish, but I like these better. So I made a little change last year, so I think these were gonna complement the change I made. Pull out the front one. Get this user manual, so I might need that. And there's the front. Nice. Again, Got a born date here. When the manufactured December 2020. Nice. Alright, so here's the wheels again. And I think I'm gonna follow, do a couple more videos on how I install these. I already have some parts for these wheels. I already have the tires for these already as well. So stay tuned. By the time I post this, it's gonna be 2021. Today is December 31st, 2020. So out with the old, in with the new. Happy New Year's.